All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Impala. It is the V6 Premier Package. Black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, navigation system, heated seats, alloy wheels, super nice, and best of all, no damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty darn good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see some curbing? There's just some glue. We look good. Let me check out your tire thread, which seems to be over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks great. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. There is some curbing right here, about 3 to 4 inches. There's some minimum curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. Tire thread is over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. As you can see, it's got that brownish accents on it. Looks fantabulous. Let's turn it on. It is a push start system. Oh, no, the lights are not on. Boom. Push start system, which does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your navigation system, your radio, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC control. There you go. It just popped up. Backup camera. Boom. All the accoutrements. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. Here's your rear. I'm sorry. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 36. Wi-Fi enabled. 36,619. Pretty much completes the tour. You got your heated seats right here. One key fob combo with owner's manuals. It's the trunk. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. And without sight, no holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk spacing. With that, looks like pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manual. You do have a cargo netting for back here. Let's see. Your deck lid here looks good. Your quarter here looks pretty darn good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more to engulf that. Tire thread, over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front seat here, front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks pretty good. Very minor curbing right there. Say about 4 inches. In your tire thread, over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Things are running. Car looks beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2018 Chevy Impala V6 Premier Package with 36,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.